One of the field hospitals in Western Jamaica may have to be relocated. That revelation came from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton during a press briefing today. Shamala Pullen has the details.
Up to December 10, the Black River Field Hospital has treated over 3,800 patients, including those seen by the mobile clinic. Of these, 2,600 were treated on site, 99 surgeries were performed, and 218 patients were admitted. However, Dr. Tufton says the field hospital will soon have to be removed.
We are now in the process of looking to relocate the Black River Field Hospital to the Black River Hospital property from the Black River High School, where it is now located. The move is we hope to be completed by December 14th. And the intention here is to consolidate services, given that the Black River facility is now cleaned up.
Dr. Tufton says the overseas team that set up the Black River Field Hospital, Samaritan Spurs, has now begun returning home.
They came in early with our invitation. We facilitated them. They've set up early. They were on the ground. They were providing critical services with their full team. They are now looking to transition out of the country. It has started and will continue. They will facilitate through training and knowledge transfer and the move of the facility. And they will leave the field hospital behind with remote support for our own local team to use.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bissesa McKenzie revealed that the ministry has requested an operational extension for the field hospital in Hanover.
That field hospital is presently housed in the Accident and Emergency Department. That hospital is expected to leave in January. Right now, the date is for the 9th of January, but we are expecting an extension on this date. And when that field hospital moves over, the Accident and Emergency Department will return to the the space at the hospital that previously housed the Accident and Emergency Department.
As it relates to the field hospitals in St. James and Westmoreland, operations there are running smoothly, particularly in Savlamar.
Staffed by approximately 70 medical and technical team members, 40 inpatient, 43 general, and 17 pediatric. So the field hospital is working, and again, thanks to the Barbados government. And 8 patients are admitted daily, up from with up to 4 surgeries conducted. And we want to thank the team there again, filling that void while we build out the regular building.
Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.